Good morning, dear students. Selling costs. Markets are classified on the basis of computation into two types: perfect computation market and imperfect computation market. Again, in the imperfect computation market, there are four types: monopoly, duopoly, oligopoly, and monopolistic computation. In the perfect computation market and monopoly computation market, there is no need to cost selling costs, but the, we see or observe the features of monopolistic computation market. We have seen non-price competition and selling costs, and also in the features of monopolistic competition are also have non-price competition and selling costs. Selling costs. Selling costs incurred in order to alter the position or shape of the demand curve for a product. E.H. Chamberlain. Advertisements, canvassing, free sampling, gifts, free services. Some of the some are some of the examples for selling costs. Average selling cost is equal average total cost minus average production cost. Selling costs types: information giving selling costs and selling costs to attract consumers. Information giving costs. These type of selling costs are mainly focuses on giving information about the product to consumers. For example, selling costs in monopoly. Selling costs to attract consumers. These type of selling costs are mainly focus on change the tastes and preferences of consumers and try to alter the position of demand curve. These selling costs are in monopoly and monopolistic competition. We can see selling costs. In this diagram, output is shown on x-axis, price, revenue, and costs are shown on y-axis. D D curve is demand curve or average revenue curve. In the beginning, price is determined as OP, and at the price OP, the output is selling at the uh, at OM quantity. The farm's average production cost is O, OQ. OQ. So the farm has got the quantity of delta, rectangle PQAB getting profits. If the selling costs are incurred, the film and advertising, the average total cost is increased. Yeah, yet the effect of selling costs, the demand of the product is increased. So the a new demand curve is formed upward as D1 curve. So the firm has chance to increase its price as OP1. Now the firm has got profit as the quantity rectangle PAEP1 before selling costs. Total revenue is rectangle OPAM. Total cost is rectangle OQBM. Profit is rectangle PABQ. After selling costs, total revenue is O rectangle O1 OP1 EM. Total cost is rectangle OPAM. So profit is rectangle PP1 EM. Here the average selling cost is AB. So after selling costs, the profit is more than the before selling costs. So